It's too late now. What's up? What's up, guys? It's a nice Friday evening at the crib. Left work, in the room, in the bed, at the desk. About to go to bed. But nah, I really just don't have any content that I wanted to give you guys. So I'm just gonna give y'all this, honestly. So there was a trade that I mentioned earlier this week that I believed that was gonna make a major downfall or make a major turn to the downside this week. And you know what happened? And the move was pretty clean. I did not get into the move, but the move is sweet. My overall projection zone. But I see it continuing to the downside as we are still flowing with this bearish trend line. We're still flowing with bearish pressure. We're still maintaining bearish structure. This just looks too clean, man. We're just going to have to see. But yeah, I do see it coming down to this negative 0.27. It's just one big story. Things lining up. Things make sense. I'm just looking for this move to play out, honestly. I'm just looking for this to play out. Just gonna sit on my hands for these next few days. I'm not gonna rush nothing. I'm not gonna overthink nothing. I'm just gonna get in once the opportunity presents itself. And that's all I ever do, and that's all I really say. That's all I really advocate for. I really would have liked to get into the trade, but I didn't. And it is what it is. It's cool. I'm able to move on because every day is a new trade and a new opportunity. But yeah, I just wanted to talk about it and I guess sort of break it down. What I saw, what happened, and yeah, just show y'all the move. Because yeah, nothing else I wanted to really show y'all tonight. I haven't made a video in I believe 2 days, so let's run it up. What the hell? What the hell? Well, yeah. Here we go. So the trade was on UJ shorts. So let's start off on the beautiful daily. So as you can see on the daily, of course, we want to start off with prices most recent. And when I say that, I mean price over here to the far right. If we start to pay attention too much over here and place a lot of emphasis over here, it starts to get irrelevant. Because what does this have to do with this right here? And especially when you start to go all the way back here, it's like, bro, we're focused on the now. We're focused on this downtrend right here. All of this is uptrend. We're focused on the downtrend right now. So that's the daily. Let's go down to the 4 hour. We clearly see the downtrend on the higher time frames. Let's actually go back. Let's do this. The beautiful bar replay so you guys know what I was looking at the time. So basically price was like this. It looked like this. We obviously could see the downtrend, but what I did was I drew a slight counter trend right here just to gauge this slight temporary uptrend. You can see it more profoundly on the smaller time frames as we see higher, low, higher, low, and basically it's trending upwards, but this is temporary as we're still respecting this long or higher time frame trend line. So as you can see, it respected it multiple times within here. So now we're just making that move up. Now in the video I mentioned that I already had a prediction that price was going to come here, and it did. It did that last Friday, I believe it was. I'm wrong. I'm getting my days mixed up. That was a Monday. Man, I'm getting my days mixed up. Okay, so that hit on Monday. Then I believe that it was going to continue down even further. I mentioned that I had this higher time frame Fibonacci from point A. Where I have my point B from here, and then point C, and then D, and that's where it hit. I drew a separate trend line, I believe, not trend line, fib, from here to here to there to there. So I mentioned that this negative 0.27, which is typically my first target with the fib, matches perfectly with the original Fibonacci's negative 0.618. So they basically matched up with each other like so. So when I see things like that, when I get confluences, and confluences are just signs that basically align with my bias and give me a reason for me to get into the trade, or just gives me an overview of like whether my bias is in the right direction or not in the right direction. So clearly these two matched up with each other, meaning that we're somewhat in the right direction in terms of where price could be headed. We also have this downward trend line. Also, I mentioned that we are underneath this moving average, 50 moving average. So things like that, everything just lines up with each other. We mostly see red candles if we're looking at this objectively. And then this is where I scale down. So on the smaller time frames, I looked at where it was. Obviously, I did not get in, but right here, I knew at some point it was just gonna drop. Like I knew at some point it was gonna drop. It's just a matter of when. It did exactly that. Now, if I were to, let's try to pinpoint a specific point where it would have been optimal to get in. Now, let me continue this bar replay. So notice that we're still bearish. This high is below that previous high. I went on the lower time frames to draw this double top right here. And then I went down to the lower time frames. Again, we have another double top right here. So if we're being honest, this could have been an entry zone right here. Even this up here, noticing that we do have that double top, and bears are mostly taking the bear side, or the selling side is mostly taking control, as well as here double tops usually confirm that we are in a selling market. Notice that these highs are lower than these highs. We have a shift of market structure. It's overall bearish. Right here we're breaking structure again. So first of all, it broke here. We have this higher low. What did it do? It broke right here. We also have these lows. What did it do? Broke. Okay, so I just want to draw all that. So yeah, bearish, and I mean it was pretty clear, and it came up again. That's a potential entry model again, as it came up here again too. Man, this stuff it's just the same stuff. It just comes back to the same stuff, and it comes back to the same areas that it was once at. So right here, this previous higher low, now used as an area of resistance, or the ceiling, and let me draw that out, used as a ceiling for this now price. And what did it do? Respected it, continuing to the downside. And then what did it do from here? Came up, rejected it again. And then this one, it took a little minute, but once the move happened, it happened. Like, it went down. Like, 1 second, it was... Let me outline it for y'all real quick. Hold up, I'm making a video. So 1 second, it was like this. Next second, it was like this, all the way down here. So, I mean, it is what it is. I didn't get in the move. I mean, you can say what's up. I'm just
yo, what's up? Yo, I gotta get in the vlog for y'all boys.
Homeless cousin.
This guy.
But yeah, look, I'm almost done this video. I'm about to finish this.
Gotta wrap it up.
But yeah, that's pretty much it for the breakdown. Let me know if you guys want some more breakdowns, some more predictions when it comes to the market. That's just a prime example of how to market charts, follow your system, follow your rules, and then just let it play along from there. Maintain patience, and set and forget. You know, the man Alex always says set and forget, so just do that. And man, the markets will treat you right. What else did I want to say?
Y'all go follow me on Instagram.
Make sure y'all follow what's our thing called?
Make sure y'all follow.
Heck no, we ain't make no. Heck no, I ain't put more than that yet.
Make sure y'all follow that.
Okay.
You gotta show some support to my boy.
I'm gonna shout myself. Okay, I'm gonna shout myself out. Treasy, 380.
Defense.
Alright, Treezy 380. TREEZY 380. That on
Underscore.
on Twitch. Make sure y'all
Underscore
follow.
no playing
Follow
time.
the man on
I
Twitch.
legit. Okay.
How long is this video?
Underscore 15
This
seconds.
video was not supposed to be long. Nah, love you too. Alright. Y'all have a good one. That was a cool little breakdown. Let me know if y'all want some more. Let's hit 80s, y'all. We have 2 more subs. 2 more subs, y'all.
2 more.
I need y'all to beg.
Two more.
Get on your knees and beg. I need 2 more. 2 more.
2 more.
2
2
more.
more.
We almost there.
Yes, sir.
Nah, it is what it is. If y'all rock with me, y'all rock with me. But we going to the top. So we have 78. Show brothers some love. I'll catch y'all in the next video.